Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your TikTok messages if they are not showing or not opening. So I'll walk you through a couple of different options on how you can send message to anyone and why you might not be able to see this option. So first of all, you simply have to open up the TikTok mobile application, and now if you want to send message to any of the person, first of all you have to make sure that you have to follow them. For example, if I want to message this person, I'll open up his profile, and now as you guys can see that there is no particular message option, which means that I cannot message it. But once I'll tap on the follow button, now as you guys can see that it has been showing me the message option. So I'll go ahead and tap on the message, and now I can simply DM this person. And if you want to go back, now if I unfollow her, now as you guys can see that the message option has been again disabled, which okay, so guys, now there is one reason why you won't be showing up with the TikTok direct message, that you was not following that particular person whom you want to follow, because TikTok don't allow you to message any of the person. First of all, you have to follow that person and then you can message that person. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.